Hey, my name is Bryce Tubbs. So today's video is going to be talking about displaying the goal that your ideal client would want. Okay, so there was a marketer, and he used to call it tripwire marketing, right? Or dog whistle copy is the term. When they first came out with dog whistles, then you would blow into the whistle, and then humans couldn't hear it, but all of a sudden dogs would just perk up and start reacting. Okay, it's the same way with our marketing and our content. You might notice that some of the videos that I put out, they don't get a lot of people to like or comment, and you're not going to be able to see some of the progress or the amount of help that the videos actually give people. Okay, but when I get on consultation calls, those are usually the videos that people say are the things that either got them to follow me further, or the things that caused them to even want to get on a consultation call and work with me in the first place. Okay, why? It's because those videos are a dog whistle video. They only apply to the people who are in the situation that I am calling out and talking about inside of my video. Okay, now we can have you guys do the same thing, and these tips are going to allow you to do so that you can actually get clients and help more people out with your actual videos. Okay, there are a lot of coaches that I know and that I hear from, either in the messages or on consultation calls that make so much content and do so many different things, but no one responds to it. And it just seems like, no one really cares. Okay, I'm going to tell you exactly how to switch that and to tweak that so you can start doing it. Okay, so step one to being able to do that: show and prove that you can actually do what you're talking about with your clients. Okay, so for example, let's say that I have a painting next to me. I think you guys can see it inside the shot. Okay, if I am a painting coach, that means I show people how to paint. Like if I'm an art teacher, okay, I should probably be able to show my students that I know how to paint or draw or be artistic. Because if I don't, no one's gonna listen to me. No one's gonna believe me, right? It's the same thing with our coaching. Find ways to either show that you have solved that issue slash area in your life. Let's say that you are a anxiety coach. You help coaches with calming down, not being so anxious, being in the present, being in the now. It would be very, very helpful for you to show that you know how to control that. Let's say that you talked about a story of maybe the other day you started feeling anxious again like you used to, but you used your 4-step anxiety destroying process or framework or modality to solve it in under 10 seconds. That's very great for your clients. Your clients will be like, oh wow, if they can do that, imagine how much I can do if they show me how to do that. Okay, you're showing them that you have something that can actually solve their problem. Showing, showing, showing. That's how we use stories, because we're able to paint a picture in their mind. People oftentimes believe what they can see. Okay? People who see something, just like how they say, like how they talk about in dreams where they were abducted by aliens, because they saw it in their mind. There's no way that you can argue and you can tell them that they did not see it. The same thing with the potential clients who are watching our videos. Okay, step number 2. I'm sorry, let's go back. So the reason why it's important is because it not only does it paint a picture in their mind, but it shows credibility. You can actually do it. You have the skills. Okay, they want to see you have skills. Step number 2, now you can move on to 2, is it builds trust, since you have what, since they're allowing to see that you have what they want, and they trust that what you're saying is the way that you actually got what you have. So again, going back to our art teacher example, if you're showing and teaching them, okay, so cool. So the first thing you do is you draw a downward stroke. The person watches and be like, okay, since they made that, they're going to be telling me the truth that this is how they did it, because they're going to step by step show me how to do it, because that's what I would do. Right? So now they're going to listen. They're going to go step by step. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to draw the downward spiral. Okay, now the art teacher says, okay, now we're going to make an X. The student's going to be, okay, cool, now we make an X. And they're going to follow along because now they trust you. Okay? Why is this important? Okay? Step number 3. It comes down to authority. Credibility plus trust equals authority. And authority is going to allow them to just take another step forward and to follow your directions, okay? Because now you can say, okay guys, so in that short video, I was able to show you guys a couple step-by-step things, right? But I made a larger presentation for you guys to be able to see exactly how you can do this from scratch, on a consistent basis, and even do your own paintings so you don't have to follow me step by step. If that's what you're searching for, go and, join up my free training. Okay, and now that you have, one, the credibility that you actually have the skills, two, they trust that you're telling them the step-by-step or even the truth about how you actually got those skills, and three, now they're listening a bit further because you did the first two steps correctly. Now they're going to listen to you. Now you're going to actually be able to help them, and now you're going to be able to start getting results from your video content. Okay, it's a process. It is a path. It's a system. Okay. So, hopefully you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed creating it. Feel free to hit that share button so other people can get some value as well. If you'd like to get around a community of like-minded individuals, people who are dedicated to helping people out, and getting paid what you're worth, then I recommend you go join my group. It's called Uncapped Growth Strategies, where there's a link either above or below. Okay, it's a LinkedIn group full of like-minded people. Have a great day, guys. Talk to you soon. See you later.